Welcome to Week 2 podcast. In this episode, we'll unravel the secrets of English grammar, focusing on essential topics. We'll explore the power of the verb to be in simple present, discover how this verb transforms for different subjects from I am to you are, and he, she, it is. Then, let's get into personal pronouns and possessive adjectives, those magical words that replace noun and express ownership. From my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. These linguistic tools will elevate your communication skills. We'll journey into the world of possessives, unlocking its secrets to indicate ownership, as in John's car or Sara's book. Master this skill and you will effortlessly express possession. Discover the art of using articles to add precision and clarity to your expressions. Learn when to use a or an based on sound and how the indicates a specific noun. Unlock the power of the alphabet from A to Z. Understand how these 26 letters form the foundation of written language. Dive into jobs using who, what, where, when, why, and how to inquire about professions. Lastly, grasp the enigmatic zero article when to omit a or an or the to convey general concepts or refer to plural or uncountable nouns. This is it for this podcast. Thank you for listening, and I hope this information is useful for you. Ciao!